Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
I be a tracking now. I go and photocopy. Wagari mi yegbe. I mean na yezo yahu. Or ye no ye or de no da. Uncle Tony Ogbebo, I want to use this medium to appreciate you again. Able where one good tongues deserve another. You know, I appreciate you. I don't really know you from Adams, but you love my way, you love the way I do things, and you choose to take me as your brother, as a friend, as a son. Because you be my elder brother. So I'm so surprised. When I carry this one go market, when I go put in, that people they ask me, say, this one Baba. They even say I Boston where me phone where then I tire me. It was me gift here. So I will keep on appreciating you. Oga to the Ogbebo the way from UK. I mean, in fact, I appreciate you. Appreciate you. Biahi. The phone where money man. I'm more. Yeah, we men when I there and the phone. There is also the phone. The phone. I'm not trying to show where you don't know, but tomorrow we will who appreciate it. The phone. The phone. How I analyze and I feel do. So the Ogbebo, I appreciate you. You are a great man. You are a great man. You are a great man. MC officer. They say you don't arrange meeting with you to discuss certain issue with you, but no avail. Please wish to. Why you know inbox me? Must you come to my live video and write me that one? You see the one after the one the spoil things. You write me. I'm always a busy man. I dey work. If you call me, I know you know where to see me. So if you really want to see me today that weekend, you go call me. I will tell you where to see me. You understand? Anyway, you are my son. I will always listen to you. You understand? So I beg, may I just enjoy myself this one at weekend. Uncle Bebo, you are a great man. Sabo Adebawe. Or why analyze and afidodo. Mama we no get me team and na iwa na we see iwa appreciate you because my easy emo give webo my easy even at time why ma bo no waru po we webo no wa vi po e ti gian better my easy. So when I can webo when boss house on egwe o appreciate it. That's when I'm away December anytime the man give me go he must supposed to I must appreciate that person because it's not easy. Emo give webo I have years it's so that webo next year I am was in that so them here. So anybody not really will you born $1, £1, €1 you go appreciate it. Abroad is not an easy place. Go there and see. On the one part near us anywhere. Uga be maniko dori keke manirema aluga waro iga yewebu igayo Iga. I remember that many of our youth here in Loto, some survive, some must survive. So I brought the work, easy. If you're one winner, I wear it's all on winning, I say winning for. So I want to really go. Who you are you know no mama can get we give no care we body go me. On my easy, on my repent we go. You appreciate that person. Yeah, Melody Noga, superstar. Melody, you are a great man. So, what I'm trying to say in essence is this. On one we yo bogwe, on we yo bonu, on my easy. I don't know if you understand. So no we no boy so very you no do we with time. On one idea we me go webo. You have to appreciate that person. So that tomorrow I maybe you know. Say when away. Any me will be my people in the diaspora. My friends, they the mind there. Osabo, okay, I say people like Nusa Osawaro, Honorable Sawaro, people like Osamui, Evo Bungbe, best wearer for wear, Evo Bungbe, Ave Pajesu Obo, Nore America, or lower money America, Evo Bungbe, only my atitai. Onwe mama Gucci, mama Canada, onwe ma no viemi gume, Idi Obaseki, Evo Bungbe. So when somebody honor women, when you appreciate it, all the buy of your government, even Bungbe, they told you above your government. Let me show you people. Let me show you. Honor women who appreciate a guy. This is from Tony Ogbebo. There is baby and only Larry. There and only Larry. You see, in my real work, there so I'm gonna get away, boo. Honor women when you keep on appreciating that person because of promise or when I win or me. Easy. You guys are trying. I didn't know most of you people from Adams is through that election period. And you people fell in love with me and you have been assisting me in one way or another. It's so I could I will go there. So I just want to clear one head this morning. When some of you is spray ego and spray money in the dance, don't try to make me understand where he is aggravate or if illegal. I'm not. I'm doing it for a purpose. You cannot expect me, somebody not veer back nana go. Tomorrow he will call me where he bestow or tell me away marriage or or anything. Then you expect me not to go there. Then he do say then I will not even spray it down. So your ways is not my way. I have reasons of what I'm doing, and today I'm a beneficiary of it. And I think two, 3 days ago, my mother came to my house telling me where people is telling her he should talk to his son that and I made my mother understand one thing, that I said when I with my one day, who's the guy in the mama with me here. I know the way no help him. So I remember vividly when we went to Manayi Kwokpa, the Delta State, and my family they were having crisis. And when we got to the dance, and we have to run for our dear life. It should be around 12, 30 years ago. And as so one woman was just ranting where we should come and live near the Gwalimasewa. And somebody that called me and said, able for civil. That's my father guy name for say. So one man who heard the name. The man came out. Away able for say. Which one say are you talking about? Is it the one in Bini that says in Ogola in Siloko Road? In a way, yes. Or where is your father? Or what you're going in a way, yes. Or where your father did a lot for me. And he asked me to call my father, and I called my father, and they spoke. And at the end of it, we did though. He accommodated us. I wish my father did wrong to that man years back. What do you think will happen to us? So please, when you see me, I go to somebody's dance. I go there, I will appreciate that person. I don't want mercy or when I win or win. I remember February 14th, when I did my birthday, just get together. He may invite him and Obun, just few people, because I was not willing to celebrate that birthday. But my wife and my friend Abatoba said they just did it for me, because he might take with my wife in my apartment, some few friends. And I was surprised when I got to the venue, he don't give me a look. And at the end of it, people came to my birthday. I was shocked. They sprayed. You gonna feel me? Egbe women, a dead baby, a daughter. You gonna feel many. I want to say more than 4 million. So I was shocked. Where everyone at women, I was no was. They were few in numbers. A phone call away, I invited them, and I got the money. A dead baby, I neutralized it. Because anything you really know, people will also do it back to you. We man query pay if you were we repeat. I think there's one of my brother logo. He called me last week away Boston. Where I was in a beer parlor, people were discussing your name in Italy. And we were all discussing, we were talking. And somebody there now said, the Boston you are talking about, look at his elder brother. And many of them are. And they called me on video call. I spoke to them now to whatever. Since that day, a person anywhere has a bar. Anywhere he goes to, people will always buy drink for him where or table stone. So what I'm trying to say is this. Ethically, there's no perfection in humanity. I have my own bad side. But they said in una man out of 100, if you're able to get 51%, I think you are good to go. So please, when you see me, we equal if you know, don't let it be your problem. Don't let it be your problem. I know what I'm doing, and the thing has been working for me. So please, He just God, no human being. He just God. Anybody around we your born when saba or your book and no hero. We maybe so please, I want to beg you, everyone. Do you know how many people have called me Boston or second what do you have to my Weibo? I want to give you invitation. I will sponsor you, I will buy your ticket, I'll do everything. But because of the COVID and all that, you know, okay, no problem. Who am I? Nagboyare wa with associate with and everything. Then you will not tell me where if you see the union keep on with it. No. Please, if you want to advise me in a good way. Don't tell me where if you legal quavico, don't. And let me shock you people this morning. Most time when I go to dance with my friend Abatobaze and other people, ekeni totally Evenitana ya Tori, God Almighty should reward me with either Tori. When I go to dance, ekeni totally sometimes people will say, I bosto, other way me. I went to a dance one day, they couldn't even see you. Ekeni totally, I got over 100,000 naira, they were yame, we bosto me, yafi. So you not see me spraying. Tomorrow you start saying where Eliot Agbona. No, please. I want to beg it. When my mother came, I talked to my mother. Either explain I said, no, keep on doing it. So please, I want to beg you. Do you know how many people where we bought what we bought you take the mountain story? Now, you don't go back here. It's so win a property again, so before or when they go here. So if they don't have that trust for me, they would do it. And I'm telling you where because of 100 million or 50 million, I will not. Because if not, it will less money, you go down far, man. A huge sum of money now far, millions of naira with a in-laws van they even promise to relocate my family to abroad. But I never betrayed the trust the good people have for me. That I have for the good people of Edo State, they have for me as well. So please, I want to beg you, my brothers, my sisters, don't let my issue be your issue. Please, I beg of you. Don't let my issue. I don't want, see, this social media that I'm into, I'm here to make more friends, to know more people. And by the grace of God, this social media of a thing has been helping me. It has transformed me a lot. It has educated me in many ways. There are things that I don't know before, but through this social media, I was able to, learn more. So please, I want to beg every one of you. Abel Stone has his own life to live. You have your life to live. I don't come to Facebook as a live video always. But when you see me, I post pictures a lot. I enjoy myself. That's why I have no copyright to this song. If you know you don't have this song, this song, especially this track too, this song was sung by Untouchable, a boy Maulitano. So please, I want to beg every one of you, anything that you know that you are doing that is helping you, you go ahead and do it. Well, when we done Manuel, and say warrior where you down, warrior where you down, I don't back me down. So the one in Mewu of favor there, and I'm enjoying it. So please, you can't tell me. Let me tell you, the respect I have for people in the diaspora, only God in heaven knows. Because they gave us over 70% of the electorate. I know somebody in abroad, of about 24 Fatima, he sent money for all his tenant to where Gwame Wahala to go and vote for God, that's all Baseki. It's so not going to say, here. And today, we are enjoying the true democracy. Obaseki is ready to do a lot for us, and he's doing it. So please, I want to beg every one of us. The only way we can move this state forward, the only way we can move this country forward is for us to unite. Akugbo eti, Iwanigbo Odeme. United we stand, divided we fall. So please, I am a Bosto. I have my own bad side. In the area in Naima, I'm not here to condemn anybody. I'm not here to spoil anybody. I'm only here to make us understand. Because me like it, uset bungbe, usanobane vidu where the nena, me never kid have him when we buna. Then you not tell me not to appreciate my God. So please, I want to beg every one of you that we should be of good behavior. We should always do good to each other. The Bible will love your neighbor as yourself. What you know you can do to yourself that will be good, do it to others. What you know that if you do it to yourself, again, man, don't do it to others. Can you carry a knife? No. So when it plan way, no way I swear you. So please, I want to beg you, every one of you, let's be our brother's keeper. Let's keep on moving. Let's keep on moving. Let's keep on moving. Better days is ahead of us. So we're going to a track tuning. In fact, all the old tracks, I mean them,